Got in this 4K Ultra HD dash camera C200 from TOGUARD. Hopefully I pronounced that correctly. When you open it up, it kind of has the manual right on top, and everything is sealed inside this. So we'll get this off. We have our power cable, which has the USB on it. We have the rear camera. We have it where you can wire it into your system. We have all the mounting tools here. We have the suction cup to put it on the window. We also have, this is unique, a sticker that you could put in your car to warn people that you actually have a dash cam in there. Let's go ahead and get the box opened up that has the dash cam on it. So this is about how big it is right here. So we'll go ahead and peel off the lens protector here. And on the back, it talks about formatting the card here. And so it's made out of a heavy-duty plastic, nice lens. We have all of our adapters up here for the power. We have the audio-video for the rear camera. Then down on the bottom is where you have all the buttons. And over here is where the memory card goes and the microphone and stuff like that. So I'll read the manual, we'll get it installed, and see how good a quality of video it has. Alright, so I showed you everything when we unboxed it. Here's the rear camera. It has the little sticky mount for it to put it on your back window. The camera is about the size of your hand. So we have all the, connections like I showed you. So we'll get this installed and show you the video. Right, I'm going to install this dash cam here. It's got a large display. You do want to make sure you have the memory card installed first and format it. I found it easiest to go ahead, connect the camera, and lock it into place before you put it onto the window. So I'm going to go ahead and put the suction cup on the window. So once we got it all the way tightened down, I would say go ahead and put that in a safe place because it doesn't seem to want to stick on there. I'll angle it up. Oh, got to loosen it. So once you have the screw on there, it's in the unlock mode. I'm going to go ahead and stick it on my window and lock it. I can then go ahead and angle it. I have my buttons up here for my modes, my memory card and stuff here. It comes with two means of installing it. I have where I can hardwire it in, or I can use the power cord. And it comes with all the tools for running it around your windshield. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. And at the moment, I'm just going to run it up over my mirror. And plug the power cord in. Powered on. The menu is actually pretty easy to go through. We have our modes, our up and down. So I can go down and I can change the resolution. I click OK. It's at the max resolution right now. So I'm going to go ahead and say OK. I'm going to go ahead and go down. The G sensor is so if your car is bumped or something, it'll automatically record. Exposure, motion detection. Alright, it's nighttime out now, so I'm going to take the car out and show you how good the camera works with low light. So as you can tell from the quality image on the camera, as I've been driving, and I showed you the night view and the day view, it's a good little camera.
Step 1. Condition. Step 2. Wash the sand. Step 3. Brush and dry. Step 4. Take a picture of it.
We have pictures of Mount Hamilton got some snow yesterday. So if you want to see that, that is on Mark's Instagram as well. Today marks the 1-year anniversary of Kobe Bryant's passing. So does not feel real. My heart goes out to every single person who was affected from, I can't remember how many people were on helicopter that day, but just 9 people, was it? Vanessa Bryant had to ask online for media outlets to not air any footage of that this week. She should have been through enough. But Kobe Bryant, he was a very inspirational, powerful person. Demi Lovato has landed in an acting role. She's going to be in a new comedy called Hungry, and it's basically a bunch of friends who are part of a food issue group, and it's going to follow them as they're trying to better themselves for months.
So I got this new camera. It's by Togaurd. It's a 4K camera, but it's a dual system. So it comes actually with the front camera that films in 4K, and it also has a high definition HD camera for the back. So this is the second one. It has a really long cable, right, that you basically plug this into this camera here right at the top, and then you have a system that basically films front as well as the back of the car. This is really nice and tiny, so it's not gonna obstruct a lot of your windshield in the front. This is all touch screen here. There's also buttons at the top. It comes with everything you need, all the suction cups, all the cords, even a little tool to hide your cable, your sticker that you're recording, of course the cigarette lighter power, and you can connect this directly to your battery, to your car's battery, and this way you can record it even when the car is off. Of course, there's a manual with instructions in all different languages, Dutch, and so on. It's a booklet, yeah, I'm very excited to use this. It looks nice and sleek, and has a good quality feel to it.